thriving garden that nourishes you, benefits the planet, and uses less water than you'd expect. Sounds amazing, right? That's the power of Waterwise food gardening. And it's not just a possibility, it's easy to achieve when you know what to plant. The key is grouping plants with similar water needs together, a practice known as hydrozoning. It's a straightforward concept that really works. So there's no need to turf all your thirsty plants all at once. Deep-rooted veggies like tomatoes, squash, and melons are built to handle dry spells. Their roots dig deep into the soil, finding water that's out of reach for other plants. Then there are the hardy herbs, rosemary, thyme, oregano, and sage. These tough herbs not only survive dry conditions, but they thrive in them, making them perfect for a water-wise garden. Ready to grow food that's good for you and kind to the environment? By making these small changes, you'll water less and enjoy your harvest more. Make the smart choice for your food garden today with Waterwise plants. Uphold the values of using water efficiently and stay informed by visiting our Randwater Waterwise website or follow us on social media platforms for more water conservation tips.